New Jersey, a state known for its bustling cities and peaceful suburbs, now faces an unsettling mystery. Strange lights have appeared in the night sky, silent, hovering, and watching. The peace has been broken by an unnerving presence. Fear is spreading as quickly as the whispers of these unidentified flying objects. It started with a few scattered reports dismissed as weather balloons or tricks of the light. But the sightings persisted, becoming more frequent, more brazen. The objects, identified as drones, moved with an eerie precision, unlike anything commercially available. Their silence was unnerving, a stark contrast against the familiar hum of man-made machines. Social media became a breeding ground for speculation and anxiety. Videos surfaced, grainy footage capturing the drones' movements, their strange, almost hypnotic dance against the twilight. The lack of answers from official channels only fueled the growing unease. News outlets, initially hesitant, now lead with stories of the New Jersey drone invasion. Experts are brought in, offering their theories, but none can definitively explain the origin or purpose of these silent, watchful eyes in the sky. New Jersey, once a place of familiar routines, now stands under a shadow of uncertainty. These are not the drones commonly seen buzzing around parks or capturing aerial footage. The New Jersey drones are different. They are sleek, almost predatory in their design. Witnesses describe them as large, triangular, and utterly silent. Their movements are precise, calculated, devoid of the erratic flutter of consumer drones. They hover silently, observing, before moving to their next position with an almost impossible speed. Their dark, matte finish makes them difficult to spot against the night sky, adding to their unsettling presence. The lack of any identifying marks or lights only deepens the mystery. They operate in complete stealth, their purpose unknown, their controllers hidden. Some have reported seeing them during the day, appearing as dark, silent specks against the clouds. Experts struggle to classify these advanced machines. Their capabilities far exceed anything known to be in the public domain. Speculation runs wild, ranging from prototypes developed in secret government labs to technology originating far beyond our planet. Whatever their origin, one thing is clear: these drones are unlike anything seen before. Margaret, a retired schoolteacher, witnessed strange lights in suburban New Jersey. "I was watering my geraniums at sunset," she recalls. A large black triangle hovered silently. John, a young father, had a similar encounter. "My son pointed at the window," he recounts. "It wasn't moving, just watching." Dozens of residents share these chilling accounts. Drones hover over homes, schools, and shopping centers. Their presence is unnerving, a silent invasion. The lack of answers amplifies the fear. What are they doing? Who controls them? What do they want? These questions turn peaceful communities into grounds for paranoia. Law enforcement agencies are baffled. Their attempts to track or intercept the drones have been met with failure. The drones operate with impunity, seemingly unconcerned with the growing alarm they are causing. Radars are useless, unable to lock onto their stealthy design. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, is equally perplexed. They have no record of any authorized flights matching the drones' descriptions. The lack of any identifying markings makes it impossible to trace their origin. Press conferences held by local authorities do little to quell the public's fears. Vague statements about ongoing investigations and persons of interest only fuel the flames of speculation. The lack of concrete answers breeds mistrust and suspicion. The government's silence on the matter is deafening. Requests for information are met with canned responses or outright denials. The more the authorities try to downplay the situation, the more convinced the public becomes that something sinister is afoot. In the absence of official explanations, conspiracy theories flourish. Internet forums buzz with speculation, each more outlandish than the last. Some believe the drones are part of a government surveillance program, testing the limits of public tolerance for privacy invasion. Others point to the drone's advanced technology and speculate about foreign powers testing new espionage equipment on American soil. The possibility of a Cold War-era adversary flexing its technological muscles sends chills down the spines of many. Then there are those who embrace the most fantastical explanations. extraterrestrial visitors studying human behavior, or perhaps even preparing for an invasion. While most dismiss these ideas as the product of overactive imaginations, the lack of any other plausible explanation leaves room for doubt. Whatever the truth may be, one thing is certain: the New Jersey drone sightings have tapped into a deep-seated fear of the unknown. The silence of the authorities, combined with the drone's uncanny abilities, has created a breeding ground for paranoia and mistrust. As if the drone sightings weren't unsettling enough, a new development has sent shockwaves through the investigation. A local research facility reported a significant amount of radioactive material missing from its secure vault. The timing of the theft, coinciding with the increased drone activity, is too much of a coincidence for many to ignore. The public is on edge. The missing radioactive material adds a dangerous element to an already unnerving situation. The possibility of the drones being used to transport hazardous materials is a terrifying thought. Law enforcement agencies are now working around the clock, their investigation taking on a new urgency. Checkpoints have been set up on major roads, and the National Guard has been deployed to assist in the search. The skies are filled with helicopters, their searchlights cutting through the night, desperately searching for any sign of the missing material or the elusive drones. The disappearance of the radioactive material has only deepened the mystery surrounding the New Jersey drone invasion. It has raised the stakes considerably, turning what was once a local curiosity into a potential national security threat. The question is no longer just who is controlling the drones, but what are their intentions? As the days turn into weeks, the mystery of the New Jersey drones remains unsolved. The silent invaders continue their aerial surveillance, their presence a constant reminder of the unknown dangers lurking above. The disappearance of the radioactive material has cast a long shadow over the investigation, adding a sense of urgency and fear to the search for answers. The public is left with more questions than answers. The line between speculation and reality blurs with each passing day. Trust in authorities wanes as the lack of concrete information fuels the flames of conspiracy theories. The New Jersey drone invasion serves as a stark reminder of our vulnerability in an increasingly complex and uncertain world. It highlights the limits of our knowledge and the fragility of our sense of security. For now, the residents of New Jersey can only watch the skies, a mixture of fear and fascination in their eyes, as the silent drones continue their mysterious dance, their true purpose as elusive as the shadows they cast upon the ground below.